How you going? It's Richard from Off-Road Touring Life. How awesome is this? Just an impromptu drive up into the mountains today. We went out looking for some snow. We haven't found any yet, but we found this hail. What do you reckon, Paul?
Not shorts weather.
Not shorts weather. Alright, so we're probably at about 900 metres. It's about 2 degrees at the moment, but it's fantastic. But have a look at that. Righto, so I'm just going to wrap this little impromptu video up here. Thanks for watching. Probably only goes for a few minutes. So if you're first time watching the channel, this is what we do. Just head out any spare moment we have out into the bush. So hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Cheers.